Hi, I'm Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage. Today, we're going to talk about the hidden costs of aging in place. Now, this is something that's come up a few times for me over the past couple of months, talking with clients that are trying to strategize for the future. They're trying to decide, do I stay in this home? Do I sell it and buy something else? And generally, they're calling me because they want to look at the options of using HECM for purchase, where they can take the equity they have in their current home and transfer that with a reverse mortgage to buy the new home to avoid having mortgage payments on a new home. Whether they're buying a better home in a nicer neighborhood, or they're downsizing, they want to put cash in the bank. The HECM for purchase is a wonderful tool to help them to have more options in terms of what they buy. Now, the big questions that come up, and nobody wants to admit that we're getting older, that our limitations are getting bigger. But as you consider aging in place, there's a few things you really want to take seriously, because life tends to surprise us. And the things that tend to come up the most for people are accessibility. Yes, this is the home you raised your kids in, you love the neighbors, you've been here forever, but can you do stairs at 95, right? Or 85 for that matter? And what about property taxes and insurance? We've seen massive shifts throughout the United States over the past few months where property taxes in some states are skyrocketing and insurances are out of control, and that makes that possibility of aging in place an impossibility, because it just becomes too expensive on a fixed income. Other things that come into play are home repairs and maintenance. And it's funny to me, I've been in real estate, I've been in mortgages for about 20 years now, and I am almost convinced that manufacturers put a 12-year stamp on the things that they make, whether it's your oven, your microwave, your dishwasher, your fridge, your garbage disposal. It seems like come 12 years, everything's going out, and it's going to go out all at once. And it's really frustrating to see that happen. But that's something to consider as you enter retirement, that depending on how old your house is and how old your appliances are, you might get hit with a number of costly repairs and purchases that could hurt your fixed income. And so in-home care service is another thing that we talk about, where you want to have some kind of long-term care benefit insurance in place, because in-home care or nursing home care or assisted living care is crazy expensive. It is wildly too expensive, but it is what it is. And without an insurance policy in place, this could really just destroy any retirement plan. And so, again, this is one of the reasons why we talk about using a reverse mortgage early in your retirement as a strategy, not as a life preserver, not as a worst case scenario, I'll do this, but as an active strategy of how do we use the reverse mortgage to limit our debts now, to reduce our expenses now, so that we can protect more of our income longer, so that we can purchase more insurances that will help us in various situations. And so if you haven't already, let's look at the reverse mortgage with you. Let's talk about the pros and cons that it has, so that you at least know how it fits, whether it's today or down the road. You know where it fits into your retirement strategy and how you can employ it to live better in retirement. So I hope that's helpful. Call me when you're ready. Let's sit down. We'll give you the clarity on what this product is and how it could help you. I'm at 435-359-9000, or come visit us at heritagereversemortgage.com. And we'll talk to you soon.